What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the 8 shirts every guy needs. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Andrew Viney, salute. Now, I often get asked what are the key basic fundamental pieces you need to have in a well-rounded wardrobe. And I definitely get asked this question about shirts. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down to you the 8 different categories of shirts that I think you need to have a well-rounded, versatile wardrobe. I've got casual shirts, dressy shirts, everything in between. I'm gonna make sure you have a shirt for almost any situation you find yourself in, so you always be well prepared and stylish. So without further ado, let's get into my list of the 8 shirts every guy needs. Now, of course, first up, we're gonna talk about the shirt that we all wear, no matter what our age, profession, or body type. We all gotta rock that T-shirt. Now, of course, the T-shirt is your classic, versatile basic. Perfect for layering, perfect for wearing on its own when the warm weather comes around. A great way to add a pop of color when you throw on colored T-shirts. This is something you know you can invest in that you'll be wearing for decades and decades. Whether you like a crew neck or a V-neck, that's up to you. But T-shirts in a variety of colors, whichever ones work for you, definitely an essential piece of your shirt collection. Next up, we're gonna go all the way to the other end of the dressiness spectrum. Of course, I'm talking about your good old dress shirt. Now, there's gonna be times when you're gonna have to dress up, whether you're wearing the shirt on its own or under a suit. When it's time to be stylish, you gotta pull out that dress shirt. Now, I'm gonna suggest for a minimum, you go for a white one and a light blue one. You can build out from there, but those two, your most versatile and most essential dress shirts. Next up, we're gonna talk about the shirt that, in my opinion, walks the fine line between dressy and casual the best. I'm talking about your white Oxford cloth button down. Now, you talking about versatile, this is the one. And one that'll never go out of style. Wear it with the tie, wear it with some shorts, wear it on its own, tucked or untucked. The white Oxford cloth button down, just super versatile and usable for everyone. It even looks great with the sleeves rolled up. We are talking versatility and one that can be used in various situations. You definitely want a white Oxford cloth button down in your collection. Next up, we have that classic shirt to wear when the T-shirt isn't dressy enough, but you don't want to rock a dress shirt either. I'm talking about, of course, the polo shirt. Now, of course, we all know this is a classic you can wear decade after decade. I like to wear it by itself, but I also throw it on under a suit jacket or blazer. Now, I think you definitely can't go wrong if you're only gonna have one, grab a navy blue one. The most versatile, timeless, and classic. But you don't have to stick with just navy. Whether you're gonna get white, red, various colors, stripes, patterns, it doesn't matter. The polo shirt, an essential of your shirt collection. Next up, we have what, in my opinion, is an underrated, rugged workwear classic. I'm talking about a denim shirt. Now, of course, we all like to rock jeans. Why not have that versatility, laid-back, casual, cool up top as well? Denim shirts, much more versatile than you might think. Wearing with other jeans, wearing with joggers, wearing with chinos. And it's also, in my opinion, a great transitional piece because of the heavier weight they tend to come in. Don't sleep on the denim shirt. Make sure you add it to your shirt collection. Next up, we have, without a doubt, your favorite style blogger's favorite shirt and your girlfriend's favorite on the low. Of course, I'm talking about the Henley. Now, to me, the Henley's a great shirt because it's a slight upgrade from a T-shirt, but still very casual. And the ladies absolutely love the way this fits your arms and your shoulders. It's a very masculine shirt, laid back and casual, and looks good on almost every guy. So if you want to wear something casual, but that's still a step up from the T-shirt, don't hesitate to add that Henley to your collection. Next up, we have a shirt that's never seen, but is just as important as almost any shirt on this list. I'm talking about that undershirt. For some reason, a lot of guys don't utilize this extra functional shirt. It helps absorb that sweat and block you from getting pit stains and sweating through your precious shirt that you have on top. It helps you walk around a little bit more confidently and helps save the damage and make your shirts last longer. Make sure you add this essential shirt to your shirt collection. And last but certainly not least on my list of the 8 shirts every guy needs, I'm gonna throw you a little bit of a curveball and suggest you give the band collar or granddad collar shirt a try. Now, hands down, when I wear these on my videos, I get tons of questions and compliments. I think it's the smooth, unconventional look that this shirt gives off. I find that I'm able to wear this in a variety of situations, and it's just a great different look that most guys aren't rocking. It's a great style move that's not too fussy. It's a great minimal, sexy, smooth look. So if you want to think a little bit outside the box, but have a great versatile shirt, I suggest you give the band collar shirt a try. Okay, so there you have it. My suggestions for the 8 shirts every guy needs in his wardrobe. Let me know in the comment section, what are the essential shirts you can't live without? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.